That chummy 1920 Craftsman could be hiding $50,000 in repair costs. I have seen investors lose their entire profit margin by missing these 5 critical red flags in Seattle properties. Today, I will explain you what are these 5 critical red flags are. Number 1 is water stains on ceiling and basement walls that signal the moisture issues in Seattle's houses. In our rainy climate, these aren't just cosmetic issues. They are early warning signs of potentially extensive water damage and mold problems. Number 2 is foundation cracks. Foundation cracks wider than a quarter could mean thousands in structural repairs. Seattle's hilly terrain puts extra stress on foundation, making what looks like minor damage potentially an indicator for serious settlement issues. Number 2, wiring. It means rewiring the entire house. You can budget a minimum of $20,000 if you see this. This outdated electrical system is common in Seattle's pre-1950 homes, and it creates both fire hazards and insurance challenges. The last one is standing water in the yard. It will eventually find its way to your foundation. With over 40 inches of annual rainfall, proper drainage isn't optional. It's essential for protecting your investment's foundation. If you want to know more about Seattle's property, you can follow me.